Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to keep leading zeros in Google Sheets. So let's say you have a tracking number of your orders or anything like this. You'll have to keep the zeros in your number from disappearing. First thing you'll have to do is to select where you want this to be happening, and then go over to Format, Number, and scroll down until you see Custom Number Format. Click on that. Here you have to just type how many zeros do you want. So in tracking numbers, it is basically 7 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now this is a sample of how it would look like, and press apply if you are done. Now as you can see, the zeros are added. So just add as many zeros as you need. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.